It gives me great pleasure to bring to the House's attention that May 6th is Dr. AMBEDKAR Equality Day, and that we are celebrating this wonderful event in our nation's capital with a historic gathering of citizens from across Canada. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was a towering figure both in his native India and around the world. From humble beginnings, suffering the abuse of caste discrimination, he rose to achieve the highest distinctions as a scholar, a lawyer, an author, a social reformer, and a political leader of global stature. Dr. Ambedkar played a major role in the formation of India, was the prime author of India's constitution, and served in the first cabinet of Prime Minister Nehru. Throughout, he relentlessly fought against the caste system and untouchability, courageously advocating for equality and dignity for everyone. Dr. Ambedkar left a lasting legacy of humanity that inspires us all to educate, agitate, and organize for a better world. Special thanks to my friends from Shri Guru Ravidas Sabha on Gilly Avenue. Jai Bhim!